Hello all, welcome to my channel. So today we will learn how we can retry the failed test cases. Okay, if we need to retry any failed test cases like twice or thrice, how we can achieve it using TestNG. Okay, so that is also a very important interview question in automation testing using Selenium Java TestNG. So let's see how we can achieve it. So first we have taken a class that is a scenarios list, okay, and we are using @test annotation for test_ng, and then we have taken four methods like method 1, method 2, method 3 and method 4. Okay, I'm commenting out this line as of now. So let's run it. Okay, let's see the result first. So here if you could see 4 got passed. Okay, 1 2 3 4, and method 1, method 2, method 3, method 4, this message is also getting printed. Okay, whatever the messages we have given inside the method. So now in the method 2 we are commenting out, we are adding this line. Okay, integer I equal to 10 divided by 0. So this is an invalid expression, right? And in that case arithmetic exception will be given. So let's see it. Let's run it first. So here we could see pass is 3 and failure is 1. Okay, and let's see the error also. Okay, method 1 2 3 4 passed, method 1 2 3 4 executed, printed, and method 1 4 3 and 2 got failed, arithmetic exception divided by 0. Okay, so sometime it happens like server is down. Okay, so that's why one of the test cases or two of the test cases are getting failed. So if I retry it like 2 or 3 times, okay, then that time it got passed. So there could be some requirement that one test case or two test cases need to be executed twice or thrice. If again that is getting failed, then in that case that is happening because of functional error. So to do this retry automatically, we need to use retry analyzer. Okay. So here I have created a class. Okay. Public class my retry analyzer. Okay. Till now this one I have created. Let's implement it. Okay. Okay, I retry analyzer, correct. So I retry analyzer is an interface available in TestNG. Okay, it is mentioned TestNG. So if I am adding this implements I retry analyzer, then there is a error throwing, and let's see, add unimplemented methods. Okay, so this method is already present and we need to implement it. Okay, this is mentioned override. So this is the method is coming. Okay, so we have to take two variables. Okay, first let me add it, then I will explain. Okay, so what we are doing here, so we are first creating a class. Okay, you can give as per your means requirement. I have given my retry analyzer, and we are implements I retry analyzer this interface, and this is already available in TestNG. Then we have taken two integer variable. Okay, that is count equal to 0, another is max count equal to 3. So max count means how many times we will want to retry that fail method. Okay, then this method is coming. We are implementing an implemented method which is already available under retry analyzer, and here we are giving a condition count value less than max count value, and we are incrementing the count value each time, okay, by 1, and we are returning true. Okay, so till it reach the count of 3 it will stop retrying. Okay, and here whatever the test case we have to is getting failed and we want to retry it, here we need to give it. Okay, so here how we can give it, we have to give retry analyzer equal to, this is the package name. Okay, so both the class under this package, retry analyzer package, then you have to give the class name where we have mentioned the means implemented the retry analyzer method. Okay, I retry analyzer method and dot class. Okay, so if we give it for the other method also, that will, and if that method is getting failed, then that will also get retried. Okay, so let's see now, let's run it, let's see the result. Okay, now if you could see, okay, that pass is 3, 1 got fail, and retry is 3. Okay, so total 7 time it got run. Okay, suppose do some modification. Okay, suppose for method 3 also give some I equal to, again in the same manner, 0. Okay, and here also we are giving this, we are adding. So method 2 and method 3 if getting fail, then retry analyzer will retry these two methods twice, sorry, thrice. Yeah, 3 times we have mentioned. Okay, so here if you could see, 2 got fail, 2 got pass, method 1 and 4 got pass, 2 got fail, and retry 6. So 3 times method 2 got retried, and 3 times thrice method 3 get retried. Okay, so in that manner we can achieve it. So why we are using it, I already mentioned, suppose server is down at that time and you retry the, you trigger the suit. Okay, so if some test case got fail because of some server error, not for the functional error, then in the retry for once, twice or thrice it may get pass. Okay, so that's why we are using this part. Okay, so that's all for today. We can achieve it using testng XML also, but that will I will show you in the next session. Till now, please practice it. Okay, how we can achieve it. Okay, retry analyzer, how we can utilize it, how we can retry. That is very important question in automation testing. Okay, it is frequently asked question, so please practice it. Okay, and I will come with another video for the next session. And also please subscribe my channel. Okay, else you will miss whatever the video I will upload. Okay, and comment your thoughts. Okay, and if you need any other videos or any other topic, that also you can let me know in the comment section, so I will try to make videos on those topic as well. And please share with your friends and like my videos. So that's all for today. Thank you all, have a nice day.